Hey guys, it's Eureka. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm just gonna do like a quick little lock update for you guys. So it is September 5th, 6th. It's Labor Day. It's September. So I'm officially at 14 months. And these are how my locks are looking. Just show you guys really quickly. I'm going to insert a video of how the back is looking for you guys. So that's pretty much how the locks are looking. I actually washed my hair today, but I didn't do a retwist because I'm trying to not retwist my hair every single month. So I think I'm going to do my next retwist maybe in October, and that is that. So for the locks, I'm noticing they're getting thick. Like the back is getting thicker than a Snicker. But yeah, it's getting thick and I'm really liking that. I still have some of them, that are still kind of like this, like half locked, like a uniform lock, and then the ends you can still kind of tell that I did like a twist. So some of them are kind of like that. I don't really have any that are just like one straight shape. Like even the front, it'll start off skinny and then the end will have this going on. So that's pretty much how most of it is looking. And the front here, these are a little bit thinner than the rest, but from my understanding, the front does get a bit thin. So I think that's normal. We'll just have to wait and see what happens later on. But for now, that is pretty much it with how the locks are looking. We're still a little rusty on the maintenance and the oil and all of that. Like, I be trying, I really do, but like I said, like I just be getting lazy and really forgetting. I do oil it though because my oil is in my bathroom, but the leave-in conditioner and all that stuff, I don't do it like that. Not even gonna lie to y'all, I don't do it like that, and I really should. And every update I talk about this, in one day I'm gonna come in here and I'm gonna tell y'all your girl's been doing it, but that day's not today. So that's that. What else? I did go ahead and add some sprinkles here. I'm not sure if I mentioned that in the last video, but I did add some sprinkles. So actually I did mention that in the last video. But that is pretty much it with how the locks are looking. They are getting longer in the back. I'm noticing like I got a little bit more hang time. I was able to do like the palm tree thing with my hair this week, and I was really hyped about that. Cause once you could do a bun, it's over. It's over, everybody. So that is pretty much, I think that's pretty much it. Like there's really not much difference that I'm noticing, to be honest with y'all. It's looking pretty much the same. It's just, the actual locks themselves, I'm noticing like small changes. If you're not looking for it, you're really not gonna see it because it's really not anything as drastic as when we first started, obviously. But that's pretty much it. It's growing like crazy. I'm noticing that because you can see my new growth is really crazy, and like my roots are like hella puffy. But that's really pretty much it in terms of the hair and what I'm noticing. The locks, the growth, we're working on the moisturizing and the oils and the water spraying and all that stuff. But honestly, like, it's whatever works for you. Because I hate when people are like, oh, you got to do this and you got to do that. No, you don't. You really don't. It's whatever works for your hair. So, me not doing it every day and not having a routine, I wouldn't recommend it for everybody. But it's a case where it's like, if you don't get to it, then you don't get to it. It's not the end of the world. Like, you're not going to die. Your hair's not going to, break off if you don't spray water on it every other day. Like, it's really not going to do that. However, it will be better for you and your hair if you did do that. So that's pretty much how I feel about it. Like, I do it when I remember, but, like, I'm not going to beat myself up if I forget to do it today or tomorrow or whatever. I just be forgetting most of the time, but that's not the point. But, yeah, that's really pretty much it. I plan on retwisting my hair in October, like I mentioned earlier. And I'm still trying to just, you know, do more styles with the actual locks themselves. But because I'm holding off on retwisting for this month, I think I'm gonna do like a wig or something like that in the next few weeks, just to hold off on it, because I don't want the roots to like get matted and like stuck with each other, because that happened to me last time. And no, so I'm just gonna do like cornrows or something like that. So we're just gonna see how that works. So that is pretty much it. And pretty much like I said in every video, you know, you just need patience. It's not gonna happen overnight. But if you just stick with it, be patient with it, you know, eventually you're gonna get to a point where you're like, oh my goodness, like this is it. Like you can hold off a little bit longer till you get to the next step. Because that's pretty much what works for me. Like I was like, oh, okay, I kind of see it. I kind of see it. I'm just holding off. And then we're here now. And now you can't say that I'm not locked. Let me stop messing. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We're just, you know, enjoying the journey, being patient with ourselves, with our hair. Do not beat up yourself too much. It is okay if you can't do this or that every single day. Nobody's perfect. It is what it is. Life goes on. And that is pretty much it for this video. It's really quick, really short, just a quick little update, nothing really serious. But anyways, that's pretty much it for this video. So let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.